It's beautiful how God created everything. His creation is very beautiful, and I really admire his work on the planet. It's just so beautiful. Green pastures. It's still, I can feel the rain. Yesterday there was a rain here. I can still feel the aroma of rain. Still fresh here. Oh. His berries, blueberries, filled with the blueberries everywhere. Blueberries, I don't know. It's possible to see. I'm very happy that God created through Jesus all these things. It's beautiful. I can see water here. Somebody's picking berries up. Un dien! Nē. Veiksmi jums ogu lasīšanā. Beautiful. It's really something amazing.